Advanced Phrasography Section 3. Halving Principle, which is related to the halving principle, as we are done in the last class. Phrases related to the circle, loops and hooks. Similarly, in today's class we will do the advanced phrasography related to the halving principle. So let's start the today class. First phrase is as if it were. As if it were. ठीक है, इट के लिए इट है, टी था तो हमने एफ को हाफ करा है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हाल्विंग प्रिंसिपल का रूल अप्लाई हुआ है विथ एफ. एज इफ इट वर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, आई ट्रस्ट नॉट. देन आई ट्रस्ट नॉट. सेम, नॉट के लिए एन टी था, देन एन हमारा हाफ लेंथ में लिखा गया है. बाय विच इट वॉज. बाय विच इट एंड वॉज. ठीक है, विच क्यों हाफ हुआ? बिकॉज ऑफ इट. नेक्स्ट, आई वॉज नॉट. आई was not. ठीक है, सारे में ही हमारे हाल्विंग प्रिंसिपल का यूज़ हो रहा है. if it is not, if it is not. You cannot, you can not. If it be not, if it be not. You may not, you may not. If it were, if it were. You must not, you am, then ends and not. You must not. Next, in which it is, in which it is. You should not be. You should not and be. Next is in which it has appeared. In which it has appeared. You were not. You were not. See, as you all can see here, in every phrases we are using the rule of halving principle. In all the phrase, halving principle rule is applied. Next is of which it has been. Of which it has been. You are not. You are not. Of which it must be. Of which it must be. I would. I would. नेक्स्ट able to make, able to make, make. If it would be, if it, then would and be. Able to think, able to think. They would, they and would. Next, they would be, they would and be. They would not be, they would not be. ठीक है, सारे वही फ्रेजेस हैं जो हम ऑलरेडी हमारे क्लासेस में हम ऑलरेडी चैप्टर्स में पढ़ चुके हैं. ठीक है, अभी इसमें कोई भी ऐसा नया चीज़ नहीं है जो हमने ना पढ़ा हो. ऑल द फ्रेजेस आर रिलेटेड टू दी आर प्रीवियस क्लासेस और प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स. आई एम एबल टू थिंक. देन आई am able to think. We would, we and would. We are able to make, we are able to make. Then we are able to make, able to make. Then few words, few words, few words. You will be able to, you will, you will be able to. Then in our words, in our words. Next, many words. And many words at any rate, at any rate. R hook, ठीक है, with an, any rate. Next is I cannot be. I cannot and be. At all times, at all times, at all times. यहाँ पे at all क्यों हाफ हो रहा है? Because of T. Next, I cannot say, I cannot say. At some time, at some time, sometime. Next is I cannot see. Then I cannot see. ये वाला जो आउटलाइन है इसको हम ऐसे बनाएंगे, I cannot say. ठीक है, एक ही लाइन में आई कैन नॉट से, बिकॉज सी हमें कट द लाइन लिखना है. आई कैन नॉट सी. नेक्स्ट एट द सेम टाइम, देन at the same time. Okay, next is I hope you will not. Then I hope you will not. For some time. For some and time. I may not be. I may not be. From time to time. From time to time. ठीक है. इस टी से एफ हमारा हाफ हुआ. देखिए इस टी से एफ हाफ हुआ. देन इस एम इस टी से हुआ. एंड फॉर दिस टाइम. ठीक है. फॉर टाइम टू टाइम. आई शैल नॉट बी. I shall not be. Some time ago. Some time ago. Next, I am unable to think. Then I am unable to think. ठीक है. So these all are the advanced phrasography related to the halving principles.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.